Hello, here is the Godox WES1 Key 2 wireless microphone for iPhone Lightning connector. So let's see what is inside this kit. We can see the instruction manual, the carrying case, a USB connector cable, something to avoid wind noise, a charging station, 2 microphones and 1 receiver. This type of microphones is perfect for content creators who want to have excellent quality audio. Excellent to conduct interviews with your cell phone because you have 2 microphones with this kit. The microphones have a clip, so you can clip very easy to your shirt, and then you are going to have a professional audio. These microphones cover up to 200 meters, about 600 feet in distance, and work in the 2.4 GHz frequency, have the new Godox 3.0 noise reduction technology, and the battery lasts 8 hours. The charging station has this USB-C connector, so you can charge this case and then this case charge the microphones. I noticed that the receiver does not have contacts to charge with the charging station, so I think that the charging station case just charges the transmitters, the microphones, and the receiver just receives power from the iPhone. Let's do one quality test with my iPhone Pro to compare the audio side by side. Let's start with the iPhone mic. This is an audio test directly from my iPhone internal microphone. This is an audio test directly from my internal iPhone microphone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Hello, hello, hello. Now this is a test from my new Godox WES1 Kit 2 wireless microphone. Now this is a test from the audio of my new Godox WES1 Kit 2 wireless microphone. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, hello, hello. Now I am going to test this microphone in my shirt. Let me take this out and then clip the Godox. And now I am recording this audio in my iPhone from my shirt. This is the new Godox WES1 Kit 2 wireless microphone. Put it in my shirt. 1, 2, 3, hello, hello. This is the audio test from my new Godox WES1 Kit 2 from my shirt. Now this is a test from the audio of my iPhone from this distance. Usually we use this distance when we do content from the iPhone, so this is the sound, okay? You can hear all noise around you. You see the difference? I like it. Now I have a portable wireless microphone kit to keep with me all the time and create content in any place and at any time. Very well recommended.